Unkulu waKwaZulu-Natal uSihle Zikalala uvakatshele esifundeni seGauteng wabikela abasisi nabazenda ngamathuba wokusisa nawamabhizinisi abangawathola KwaZulu-Natal. Lokho kulandela imithakalo yenturhu eyabangela umonakalo ngaphezulu kwamabhiliyoni amabili wamaranda esifundeni sakhe. Emhlanganweni obanjelwe eSheraton, ingikhulu zombuso zibikela abasisi nabazenda wamazwe ngamazwe ngamahlelo kaRhulumente wokuhlumisa umnotho nokunzinzisa ilizwe.
South Africa is committed in strengthening our bilateral cooperation with your individual countries and regional groupings in order to boost our economy.
Umzenda we-Democratic Republic of Congo ekhethwapha udlulisa umlayezo wokusekela ovela emazweni angaphandle.
We know that the province has gone through some, I will call them hiccups. Who doesn't go through hiccups? We experience hiccups. What is it? Climate change hiccups, when it's other types of hiccups. We always go through that. But one thing about people of KwaZulu-Natal, they're resilient.
Uzikalala ubuyelela umlayezo wokuthi isifundesi sizimisela ukubuyela ebujameni bezomnotho ebesikiso phambilini begodu wabawa amazwe ukuthi afake isandla lapha angakhona khona.
We're here to invite you to join us on our journey of quickening the tempo to economic recovery and job creation.
Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal obuye wathi lokhu okwenzeka esifundeni sakhe akusimraro ojayelekileke ekhethwapha begodu sikhona nesisombululo sokuqeda.
Finance, where we are focusing on reprioritization of budget and prudential use of the provincial contingent fund. Urban renewal and regeneration, focusing on investing in infrastructure, supporting our small towns as well as municipalities.
Sekuzakubonakala ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi ube yimpumelelo kangangani lo mhlangano.